Hello everyone, welcome back to Guvna Rides. Today, just a quick video to show you these Tec Bike Parts brake and clutch levers I've just installed. Very nicely made, very simple to install. They have 6 positions of adjustment, so they are also ergonomically friendly as well. I didn't do an install video, but I'd be more than happy to do one if you need one. But trust me, it's really straightforward. I like that little logo there. Just that quality that Tec Bike Parts have that are really nicely priced as well. I don't know how they do it. Anyway, moving back to that fuel cap issue, this is the Motone black fuel cap with the aluminium ring. I wanted to try a direct comparison with the brass one that I had on the last video. I think what happened is I over color corrected and it made it look really bright and yellow. I think it was too bold perhaps. So you're seeing it now as I'm looking at it in my garage. I like it. I'm not sure if I like the brass one better or I prefer the black, so we'll do a comparison. So here's the brass one. I know it's bold, I know it's brassy. Stuart Fillingham did a video on brass on these bikes, especially on the blacked out ones. The Icon Edition has that beautiful gold logo and some little accents on it. I really just wanted to try and complement that. I think over time, once that dulls down, it's going to be nice, but it is super heavy and I'm really concerned about maybe dropping that on my tank. That would be a bad day if that happens. So the jury's still out a little bit. I do appreciate your thoughts and comments on this. You've been back and forth with me a little bit, and that's good to know. Hey, you know what? It's just having fun and experimenting, trying to do something a little different, a little unique. As always, we appreciate you watching, we appreciate your likes, we appreciate your comments, we appreciate you subscribing, most of all, we appreciate you. Thanks again, cheers and take care.